Guys, this is so freaking pretty. It's so relaxing. I always come down here after we have hard rain because the sound of this water is so relaxing, y'all. And it's so pretty. And it's from all the rain we've got and all the snow we got this year. As you guys can probably hear it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. This is right off of the bike path, y'all. Down from where I live. So I really hope you guys can hear it. Oh, this beautiful, relaxing water. Sometimes it goes even over the bike path in the summer. The bike path even gets flooded. I have lived off of this bike path in my apartment for 5 years. So, yes, I do know for a fact that the bike path does get flooded in the summer. We had so much flood water last year that it was right behind my apartment complex. Here's the side. So relaxing, y'all. I just like come down here and sit and just enjoy the water because it's not too large body of water. It's like mini ditch creek type of deal. And I am going to put this on my YouTube channel. It's so relaxing. That whole field is flooded. The whole entire field. I just really enjoy it. It's nice and warm. It's actually warming up now. It's about 54. You just gotta be careful because snakes and stuff does cross this bike path. So I never ever walk it alone in the summer. That's for all the flooding. As you can see, that's how high it got up. That's the old oil rigs. It's very pretty here. I really enjoy it. You know? So pretty. It's kind of like a scenery of the old maid's cave, but not exactly. Sorry, my nose is running because it's not completely warm, but it's warm enough for me to wear shorts and a tank top, no coat. There's a ditch, creek, stream, whatever you want to call it. I love this bike path. It's so pretty, especially in the fall. It's just gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I hope you guys like, subscribe, share this video. It's just too gorgeous to not to share. See, there's a little stream back there. But I mean, there's dangerous things on this bike path that you have to watch. And it's not typically homeless people, but like wild animals and snakes and stuff. And I'm kind of huffing and puffing because I'm walking. I'm brisk walking. See back there? That's more flooding. This is so much like a real tree camo design. Like the hoodie I have. The intercom is going off right now at the trade school and such. It's just really pretty down here, guys. And I have at least crossed 3 to 4 bridges on this bike path, but there's a lot more. There's a Hockey College Bridge, Meeker's Run Bridge, another bridge up here a few ways, then another bridge that comes out behind Movies 10. That's the farthest I have gone. If I could get a bike, I would do a live video about my little travel, but I don't know when that would be, honestly. But guys, this is so pretty. I love nature, especially around this time of year. You just gotta watch, you know. There's dangerous things everywhere in nature. But I'm going to probably end this video here soon. But I'm gonna let you guys look at me first. Hi, what's up? Alright, peace.